Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread pizza. First, prepare your cornbread base. You can use a favorite homemade recipe or a convenient store-bought mix. Press the cornbread mixture evenly into a 9-inch or 10-inch round pan, ensuring a consistent thickness. Bake it according to the cornbread recipe's instructions, typically for 20 to 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, until it's golden brown and firm enough to hold toppings. Once your cornbread base is ready, it's time to add the delicious layers. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce across the entire surface, leaving about a 1/2-inch border. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese. About 1 1/2 cups works well for a 9-inch pizza. You can also add a blend of other cheeses, like cheddar or provolone, for a richer flavor profile. Now for the fun part, toppings. Arrange your favorite pizza toppings evenly over the cheese layer. Classic choices like pepperoni, cooked sausage, or sliced bell peppers work wonderfully. Be mindful not to overload the pizza, as this can make the cornbread soggy. Place the pizza back into the oven, typically at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. After baking, it's crucial to let your cornbread pizza cool for about 5 minutes. This allows the cheese to set, making it much easier to slice cleanly. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter to divide your pizza into 8 equal slices. Serve it immediately while it's warm and the flavors are at their peak. This unique twist on pizza is sure to be a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.